One of my favorite things about being outside is getting into some of these aspens or these quakies, and the sound that they make is just amazing. So it's pretty windy right now. Just came back from Stampede Lake, and I'm hoping the sound of these will kind of pick up on the audio here. Well, here comes the rain. Woke up this morning in camp and had pouring rain about overnight, and then again at about 5 in the morning, and most of the morning. It's kind of nice for our first night in the new trailer. So it's great. Escape the Sacramento heat and get into some just beautiful temperatures. Some rain. It's awfully windy. Normally on the bike I'd be cursing the wind, but it sure feels good right now temperature wise. So here it comes. The skies look a little bit ominous. Probably have 45 minutes to get back to the truck. It's all good though. It's not cold, and if I get a little wet, so be it. Just a beautiful day out here. Loving it. Day 1 of 7 days in a row of activities, kind of my goal. So we'll see how that goes. Peace. Just a quick video. It is Tuesday. Had a killer road ride yesterday, the Monday, Wednesday, Friday crew out of Reno. Had a great time, and then I was excited this morning. I changed over my road tires and put on my 650B with my mountain bike tires. So I'm back in the dirt where I like to be, and I'm on a trail that took off out of Palisades near Truckee, the Sawtooth trailhead, and I just got into some beautiful area with a killer view to Squaw Valley. I know they have a different name for Squaw Valley now, I just don't know what it is, but this road is spectacular. No cars, a couple hikers, and that's about it. So here's the view that I have right now, just stunning. Well, an outstanding day on the bike continues. I just got around the backside of North Star, and I have some killer little peek through views to Lake Tahoe, so it's kind of cool. I'll show you here. Could probably get some better views if I drop down further, but then I start dropping down towards Truckee, and I want to continue back the way I came just to get some more views of that Squaw Valley. And then I'll ride up here. Wrong gear. There's a pretty killer field of sunflowers. So I'll show you that before I turn off the camera and continue the ride. Here we go. Make sure I don't get run over here. But it's pretty stunning right off the roadside here. So, oh man, it smells beautiful too. Here's what we have. Hey there, just hiked part of the PCT right off of Donner Summit parking lot. Met some really cool people. There was a lady on a gravel bike that came up from Kingvale on her lunch break, super nice. And then met a guy from England that was doing the PCT, had started in Mexico and was all the way here. So that was really cool. But it's beautiful up here, so I'll give you a feeling for where I'm at. Donner Lake over there, and then east and westbound 80 snaking around, and then just a bunch of granite. Don't know what that lake is there, and Sugar Bowl ski resort is right here, so super. Hey there, just continuing the hike almost to the top of Donner Peak. So that'll be my goal today before I turn around, but you can see the scenery behind me is insane, and up at the top some really cool granite formations, so I'll kind of show you the route over the top. Pretty cool at the top of the Donner Peak here. There's some killer views all the way around. Of course, Donner Lake. And it looks like this must be a pretty active area for rock climbing in these areas. Looks like there's some areas down here, and then I found some anchors that have been set up here, and another anchor or set of anchors over here.